much of our brain do we use?
It's still heard in society that Albert Einstein used his brain, just only 1%.
Also someone say,
He used 1 out of 1,000.
And also from a survey in 2013.
65% Americans believe that we only use 10% of our brain, including Albert Einstein.
But this is just a myth. The truth is, we virtually use every part of the brain.
This is 100%.
Because
by the functional magnetic resonance imaging, researchers shows that
most of the human brain is active, most of the time. Even when a person is performing a very simple action, or any hard action, whether resting or sleeping, it's mostly use of 100% of the brain. In fact, the percentage of the brain use at any moment varies from person to person. It depends on what a person is doing or thinking about.
So, this myth was originated in 1890s by the journal Science psychologist and author William James. He argued that most of us do not meet our mental potential. And this misunderstanding stuck for a long time.